From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Iran Ghormeh Sabzi. Ghormeh Sabzi is one of Iran's most beloved and iconic dishes, often referred to as the country's national dish. Its name translates to stewed greens, gourmet meaning stewed, and sabzi meaning herbs/greens. And it is a fragrant, deeply flavorful herb stew traditionally made with kidney beans, dried limes, limu, amani, and either lamb or beef. The exact origins of Ghormeh Sabzi are difficult to trace, but it is believed to have ancient roots in Persian cuisine, possibly dating back thousands of years. Some food historians suggest that the dish evolved from early Persian herb-based stews that were cooked with meat and legumes, which were common in the diet of ancient Iranians due to the availability of fresh herbs and livestock. The use of fresh herbs like parsley, cilantro, and fenugreek in cooking has been a staple in Persian cuisine since antiquity. The combination of meat and greens in stews was likely a practical way to preserve and enhance flavors. The introduction of dried limes, limu, amani, which give Ghormeh Sabzi its distinctive tangy flavor, likely came later, possibly through trade with Oman or other regions where sun-dried limes were common. Different parts of Iran have their own versions of Ghormeh Sabzi, with some using additional herbs like leeks or spinach, while others may vary the meat or bean choices. Today, Ghormeh Sabzi is enjoyed across Iran and by the Iranian diaspora. While the traditional recipe remains dominant, some modern variations include using chicken instead of red meat or adding extra spices for a different twist. However, purists insist on the classic combination of herbs, meat, beans, and dried lime for the authentic taste. Ghormeh Sabzi is more than just a dish. It's a culinary tradition that embodies the richness of Persian history and culture. Its enduring popularity over centuries is a testament to its deep, comforting flavors and its place in the hearts of Iranians everywhere.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.